Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be comparing two popular USB microphones, the TECURS USB computer microphone and the TECURS USB microphone. We'll be evaluating them based on different categories and see which one comes out on top. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones perform well. However, the TECURS USB microphone has a higher sampling rate and frequency response, making it more suitable for professional recordings. The TECURS USB computer microphone has a compact design, adjustable neck, and a unique blue LED light for added visual effect. On the other hand, the TECURS USB microphone has a gain knob, one-touch mute function, and comes with a tripod stand for easy positioning. However, it is slightly bulkier than the TECURS model. The TECURS USB microphone comes with a double-layer acoustic filter and a windproof foam cover, making it ideal for preventing bursting and improving recording quality. The TECURS USB computer microphone, on the other hand, has a high-performance smart chip that blocks background noise to some extent. Both microphones are compatible with Windows and Mac computers, but the TECURS USB microphone is not compatible with Xbox. The TECURS USB computer microphone is more affordable, priced at $21, while the TECURS USB microphone comes with a higher price of $49. So which one is the winner? Well, it really depends on your usage and preferences. If you're looking for a more affordable option with decent sound quality, the TECURS USB computer microphone is a great choice. On the other hand, if you're a professional content creator and need a microphone with high-quality sound and additional features, the TECURS USB microphone is the way to go. We hope this comparison video helped you in making a decision. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which one you decided to go for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.